90% of people use ChatGPT as a replacement of Google search. Maybe they will search certain things, or maybe max to max, they will correct their English or the writing in certain cases. In this video, I will show you 10 different features which will make you a pro user of ChatGPT and you will be able to get most out of it. So watch this video till end because all these 10 features will be extremely helpful for you, and I am not asking you to like or subscribe to this video now. Watch till the end, and if you are really getting any value, then only you like and subscribe. Now very quickly, in my screen currently I have ChatGPT open. So if you are first time using ChatGPT, then just go to chatgpt.com, use your Google credentials and you log in. But if you are already a ChatGPT user, now let's talk about the first option. So what we'll do here, if I click on this plus sign, there you'll be able to see there are multiple different options. I'll do one thing, I'll click on canvas and then I'll type this particular prompt. Help me to write a detailed blog post on time management best practices. Make it comprehensive one. And if I click on that, then you will be able to see it will open in a different mode altogether. Currently you can see it started writing and everything is now showing and it's now generating the content, and once this is done you will be able to see this is the content it generated. So this is our content. So if I click on edit, now you'll be able to see this is canvas mode within ChatGPT. If I quickly come here and mouse over to this particular pencil button, there you'll be able to see multiple different things. First one is add emojis. If you click on that, it will add multiple different emojis based on your preferences. Second one is you can add a final polish. So it will review that another time and it will do. Third one is reading level. If I click on that, you will be able to set as a high school, college, or in different levels, right? You can see that middle school is there, kindergarten is there, so you will be able to change based on your audience. Now if I come back, and then last one is the length. You will be able to adjust the length. You are looking for a shorter one or you are looking for a very detailed kind of a document, that it will do once you will select on that. Another good part is if you select any portion of the text and you write something for yourself, that also you can do. So it's kind of a writing or typing on a Word document, right? So that's the way you will be able to do. So this is one of the very good option, that is ChatGPT Canvas. Start using it whenever you are writing something. So this is feature number 1. Now the next feature is also a very important one. If I go to a new chat, and there you will be able to see there are 2 different icons. One is dictate, which means if I am telling something to ChatGPT, it will just write it there. But next one is voice mode. If I click on it, then it will prompt for this notifications. I'll allow this time. I'm preparing for an interview. Can you help me to prepare?
Absolutely, Sandeep. I'd love to help. What kind of interview questions do you want to focus on? Technical, behavioral, or something else?
Yeah, this will be a program manager interview where I'm expecting some of the technical questions and also related to process and project management.
Got it. Let's break it down into 2 areas then. Technical and process related questions. For technical, you might be asked about cloud architecture, how to handle large scale deployments, maybe even troubleshooting scenarios. For process,
So you can understand this is the way you can talk to ChatGPT. It will talk to you to understand, and you will also be able to prepare for anything. Now think about the situation, you are on the go, you have ChatGPT installed on your mobile, and you will be able to use this particular mode to talk to ChatGPT. And after entire discussion, all those transcriptions will be available here. You can see whenever I mentioned what I am going to do, all those transcriptions are available and you can refer it later. So this is one very good option if you are on the go and you want to talk to ChatGPT for something. Or if you are feeling lazy and you don't want to type, then that time also you can talk to ChatGPT and you can get your desired results. So while we now learning about all these features, I have a small announcement. I have a detailed course covering ChatGPT, and that is available on Skillshare. I have added one link in the description below. Check out that link and you will be able to enjoy a trial period in Skillshare, where during that trial period you will be able to watch my courses and also multiple other courses already published by renowned instructors around the world covering multiple different topics. So check out that link if you have any such requirement. Now coming back to the next topic. Now let me show you the third one. If I come back, And if I expand this particular menu, you can see there is one option that is GPTs. So these are custom GPTs within ChatGPT. So if you come here and click on explore, you'll be able to see multiple different custom GPTs are already available. These custom GPTs are configured to perform certain specific tasks. And you can just find out and you can evaluate all those things. Let me show you a very good example. First one I normally use, you can see that's why it's showing as a first. So this is an AI image generator. So once I'll be typing any of the prompt, so this is the prompt I normally use to produce my YouTube thumbnail related images. And if I click on this particular button, then it will generate multiple versions of the same image. And from there, you will be able to choose which one you are liking. So currently you can see after my prompt, it is using Midjourney to tune my prompt and then it will generate the image for me. So you can also copy that particular prompt whichever ChatGPT using to generate the image. It's not directly using my prompt on word by word basis, and then it will start generating the image. So this is one custom GPT I use all the time to generate thumbnail of my YouTube videos. So you try to explore all these custom GPTs, it will be really helpful. This is really a gold mine. So while it's generating this image, let me open another window and let me come to ChatGPT another time, and here I'll show you another option, that is applications within ChatGPT. So if I just type Canva and then press space, you can see it picked up Canva, because now Canva, Booking.com, Coursera, Figma, all those applications are now available inside ChatGPT. Now if I paste a prompt, I'm planning to open a coffee shop, help me to create a pitch deck including all required details. And then once I'll press enter, ChatGPT and Canva will work together and it will give me certain structure. It will give me 3-4 different options using which I'll be able to start generating my presentation. So for that, I don't need to create it from the scratch. I'll be able to utilize one of the option, and from there I'll be able to build on it. Let me very quickly show you once it will generate. Till the time it's generating, let me go back, and yeah, this is the image it generated. And you can see after generating the first image, it is now generating the second one. Normally it generates 4 different versions of the same image in a different angle. So it's changing the prompt. It will also show me the multiple different other options which are available. Now coming back to this pitch deck option, here you can see now Canva generated these 3-4 different options. So if I click on this particular one, you can see multiple different slides it generated. So there are multiple slides. If I click on that, you'll be able to see this other design. And if I click on open in Canva, then this particular design, it will open in Canva, and there I'll be able to edit each and everything. If I just want to add my name, I'll be able to do that. So all those components, each and every part is editable. So this is that easy. You can call another application within ChatGPT and you'll be able to utilize it. So generating PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT and Canva became really easy nowadays. So now we have created certain contents. So let me close this particular option now. And here also you can see still the third image is getting generated. Second one was generated. If I come to ChatGPT and if I close this thing and I open a new chat, let me show you another option, that is ChatGPT memory. Now ChatGPT can remember your instructions and that will be followed for all upcoming interactions. If I come to my profile picture and then I come to personalization, then you will be able to see multiple different options. Now here under personalization, if I scroll down, you'll be able to see one option, that is memory. If I click on manage, if you see, I already added one memory here, that whenever I will type : write for me : then it will generate a human sounding text and it will not use these specific words within my content. So which means ChatGPT normally use these words, and all AI generators normally very quickly pick up that it's AI generated content. Earlier, I recorded one video where I shown multiple different ways how can you avoid AI detection whenever you will be using ChatGPT and generating any text. Your text will not be picked up by AI detectors. Check out that link in the description below. Now, this is ChatGPT memory. So you can write anything and then ChatGPT will remember it and it will follow that instruction down the line for all of your upcoming interactions. Now, while we are talking about ChatGPT memory, another very good option is ChatGPT custom instructions. You can see I already updated my custom instructions. There you can update ChatGPT that what type of response you are looking for. You prefer a detailed response or you prefer some of the bullet points. You want it to be a professional tone or as a friendly one. So all those options are there. You can also check here and certain options are there. What I have done, I have asked ChatGPT only to give me a detailed prompt. I mentioned these are the 4-5 things I'm looking for, and then I asked it to give me a detailed prompt which I'll be updating in the custom instruction, and the same text I updated here. So this is the way you'll also be able to configure ChatGPT for your type of response so that you will be getting those outputs as per your likings. Now, whenever we are talking about personalization of ChatGPT, sometime it may happen you can use ChatGPT for some of the personal reason which you don't want ChatGPT to maintain a history or learn from that particular interaction, right? So you can see there is one option here, turn on temporary chat. Once you do that and once you write something, then that will not be maintained in this chat history. It will not be there. It will not be maintained there, and also ChatGPT will not update its memory. You can see this chat wouldn't appear in the history. Use or update ChatGPT memory or be used to train our models. So if you want any of the private discussion to happen which should not be recorded or saved later, then this is the option you can check. Another thing show you here whenever you are talking about your privacy and other related matters. So if you come here and then go to personalization another time, and then under data control, you can select if you want to contribute to ChatGPT training data or not. Your data, your interaction, will it be used for training purposes for ChatGPT or not? That you can choose here. So I turned it already off. You can click and you can turn it on or off. That's up to you. So I turned it off. So I don't want OpenAI to learn from my interactions. So that's one. Another thing is if you come to personalization another time and under ChatGPT memory, you can turn it off. We just talked about what's the benefit of ChatGPT memory, but if you are maybe sensitive about your interaction, your data, and you don't want ChatGPT to remember anything about you, you can turn off these ChatGPT memories from here. But you will be losing some of the functionality there. So this is completely up to you. The choice is in your hand. You will be able to utilize these features according to your choice only. So if I close this particular dialog and I go to a new chat, another very good feature of ChatGPT is deep research. So if I paste this kind of a prompt, research how can YouTube community option can be used to improve reach of videos and also create a community and increase engagement. And if I come here in the plus sign and I click on deep research, you can see whenever I'm coming here, it's showing only 23 left. Normally, ChatGPT provides 25 deep research per month as part of the paid plan. I have the plus plan already, so that's why I get this particular quota. Now, if I click on it, normally it will ask me 3-4 questions. And once I'll answer those, then it will go and it will take maybe sometime it takes 20 minutes also, and it will complete a deep research for my requirement. So let me very quickly answer this thing and then I'll execute it, and then it will work on the back end, and then till the time we'll cover other features and we'll come back to show you that how deep research performed. Now let me very quickly respond and come back. Okay, so I have written my responses and I updated my responses. Now it will start working. You can see starting the research, and this is the progress bar. So let it work, and then we'll come back to this particular option after some time to see that whatever it generated. Now, if I come back to the earlier one, now these all 4 images have been also generated. So what we can do, if I click on share, then ChatGPT will generate a link, and using that link, I'll be able to share this entire chat with someone. Let me copy this particular link. If I open a different browser altogether and there I paste this particular chat, then it will show us that this chat was generated by someone and you will be able to use it. You can see all those 4 images are visible. So the person I'll be able to share with, the person also will be able to download those images from there. You can see it's mentioning this is a copy of a conversation between ChatGPT and Anonymous. Report this conversation. So if you're not happy, so you can report it also. So this is the way you will be able to share any of the chat with other people also. In case you are working within a team and you want to share something with your friends, colleagues, that also you can do. So as of now, we completed 9 different features. Now let me show you one bonus feature, and after that I will show you one of the major feature you need to know. So if I again go to a new chat, so this particular feature is kind of hidden nowadays. Earlier this option was available here in this drop down. Let me show you what am I talking about. If I just type this particular prompt, send me a daily AI news at 9 a.m. and if I press enter, this is scheduled task within ChatGPT. Then you can see it mentioned, yes, this is done. If I click on these 3 dots and then I click on schedule, then you will be able to see all those different tasks which I configured using ChatGPT. Some of them are recent, some of them are paused, some of them are already in process. So this is the one just now we have done. If I click on this, then you will be able to see this kind of a dialog. There you will be able to name this particular task. You will also be able to give a detailed instructions, and also you will be able to change the schedule or the frequency of this particular task. So this is one very good thing, right? As I mentioned that every day 9 a.m. I want that AI news, whatever are there, that I want to get it. What it does, whenever it will generate this response at 9 a.m. every day, it will send you one email confirmation also. So you will get notified by that email. You can also enable push notification. From there also you will be able to understand. So if I click on this cross, and then you will be able to see all these scheduled tasks are there. So this is kind of hidden. Earlier it was part of this particular drop down. Their scheduled task was part of it, but currently this is kind of hidden. So I thought of showing it here as a bonus so that you can leverage this particular option which is hidden within ChatGPT. And the final feature, let me show you, that is if I come here in new chat and I open this sidebar, you can see ChatGPT projects. So this is one thing which can change how you use ChatGPT altogether. You can create a project for a specific purpose. If you see, I already created one like YouTube coach, and there I already uploaded certain documents. I have certain options too. So what I can do based on my YouTube analytics data, I uploaded here. I also uploaded certain other things so that I can get guidance of ChatGPT to grow my YouTube channel. I can plan for my next videos, those ideas. So all those things. So if you want to know more about this particular topic, I have a full video covered. But before that, let's come back and see that if the deep research is complete or not. No, it's also currently in the 50% mark. So what I'll do, I'll open one of the deep research which I earlier concluded. So if I come here and then let me find it out. So what I've done here, I mentioned I conduct an in-depth research on the technical writing, right? So if I need to write content, so what will be the best option? So what it did a deep research, and then you can see these are the content it generated. You can see the amount of text it generated. And what we can do, we can come here, we can click on this particular button, then we will be able to download it as PDF or Word document. So if I download it as a PDF, you'll be able to understand what's the size and what are the contents. So if I just open, you can see there are 14 different pages and it generated this particular detailed report. So same thing is happening and it's taking now time. So that's why I thought of showing you the other one. Now coming back to ChatGPT projects, if you want to know about ChatGPT projects in detail, I already have a detailed video covered everything that how you can leverage that particular option. Check out this video to know everything about it.